Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to fix an embed not working in the Canva website builder. So here I am in my Canva dashboard, and then for example, I will open a website builder right here. So for example, this website that I have, I can just click on it and then it will open in a new tab. Then for example, what I want to do in this website builder is that I want to embed a video. So a way to do that, I can just go to apps right here and then I can just type in embed, and then it should give me different applications right here that I can embed to my website. So for example, I just want to use this embed app right here, and then I can go ahead and embed any kind of media from these different platforms that are given right here, like YouTube, Vimeo, TED, Spotify, SoundCloud, Google Maps, and so on and so forth. So for example, what I want to do is that I want to embed a video. So I have here my YouTube channel, and then for example, I want to embed this video that I have right here. What I can do is that I can just click the options right here, and then I can just click get shareable link, and then the link is now copied to our clipboard. I can go back to Canva and then paste the link right here and then click add to design. But there is a problem. So the embed is not working. So it says right here, we encountered an error with the link provided. It may be invalid or not yet supported. So please check the link and try again. So whenever you encounter errors like this, most likely the problem is in the element or like in the platform of where your embedded element is from. So in my case, my embedded element is from YouTube. So I need to go back to my YouTube channel and fix the error. So the common problems that you can encounter in how an embed is not working is for the permissions of that specific element. So in my case, I have a video right here, and then we can see that the visibility is set to private. So that means that I can't share this to other platforms or to other people. So what I can do is either I can make the visibility or the permission into unlisted or to public. So if you set a YouTube video to unlisted, what that means is that the people that use YouTube cannot find this video publicly, but once they have the link, they can still access the video. And then if I click public right here, so the YouTube users can find this video publicly through like YouTube recommendations and such. And then as well, if they have the link to that video, they will be able to access it. So just choose between unlisted and public on what you want to use, and then click publish right here. Now that the video is public, we can refresh this. We can go back to Canva, and then we can refresh this as well so that it will reflect the changes. Now I can go back right here to the second page of my Canva website, go back to apps, and then type in embed. You can also use YouTube embed right here if you want. So for example, I'll still choose this one, the embed application. Then from here, we can go ahead, get the shareable link, and then paste the video link right here, and then click add to design. So sometimes it can not reflect immediately. So we just need to go ahead and repeat the embedding right here until it is done reflecting the changes. So let me go back. Now that we have reloaded the Canva website builder, we can go back here, and then we can see the embed application right here. We can just click on that and then go ahead and try again, click add to design. So if it's not working still, what you can also do is that you can click on your video right here in YouTube, and then you can just copy the video link. And then let's try again, and then paste this link, click add to design, and now our link is working. And then that is it. That is how we can fix the embed not working in the Canva website builder. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.